You cannot escape me. I expected a train, but instead I got maintenance of way equipment, which I cannot quite see from here. Does this road go to the right? It's just a jump to the left. Neighborhood watch in case foamers show up. Oh, this is a rather fancy trailer park. I've never seen such asphalt in my life. I'm just here to video your maintenance of way equipment. Don't be offended at my presence. Alright, that seems to get us a little closer. Does it go anywhere? Oh, yeah, it does.
Into someone's yard.
Curses, it does dead end. It says Pine Circle. How can it be a circle if it dead ends? Well, either way, it's close enough.
Don't drive onto the tracks.
I'm not driving onto the tracks. I'm going to get here. I'm going to put it in park. I'm going to step out. I'm going to walk to it. Well, maybe I shouldn't walk to it because I'm just not in a trespassing mood today. But I now feel certain. I think I'm going to video that from a different angle.